Hi guys, this is Joy again. Once again, you're welcome back again to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to prepare this delicious chicken Nkwobi. And to all my returning subscribers, from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate you all. And if today is your first time of coming across this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Be a part of this humble family so that whenever we upload, you will be forced to be notified. And we upload this soon again. Let's get started for today's video. On this video, guys, or this Nkwobi, I'm using a hard chicken. For it, I'll cut it into small pieces. I'll go ahead and roast it. Transfer it into a pot. I'm adding Scotch Bonnet pepper. Add it as you desire it. Seasoning cube, garlic and ginger paste, onions, salt to taste. I will go ahead and stir it. Help me to share this video in all your platform. I'll go ahead and add just a drop of water. It will generate liquid on its own. So I'll go ahead and cook it for just few minutes, less than 15 minutes. I am done. But make sure it's well cooked. Can you see the liquid that comes out from it? So it's fully ready, guys. Can you see the liquid? Wow. I will make use of this liquid. Keep watching. I will go ahead and use this plant. I'll prepare this plantain. I'll be using this one to mulch it in order for me to be satisfied or well fed up. So you can use anything of your choice or even mulch it like that. I'll add water. I'll bring to cook and I'll put aside. This is a Ugba, very important when you are making this. Oil, crayfish, onions. This is a Utazi leaf, spinach for garnishing, dry pepper and Scotch Bonnet pepper, seasoning cube, and potash. I will go ahead and turn it into a powder form. So I will add my palm oil at this point. I will start to stir. So at this point, I'll add the stock from the chicken. I will keep stirring until I got this beautiful color that you are seeing. And remember that the chicken stock is still hot. When it's hot, it goes a long way. This is a pepper, crayfish. This is a seasoning cube, the left one. If there is a need for you to add more spices or seasoning, you can do so after tasting. So I will stir everything gently until it is well combined. So I will bring it back again to the heat. I will just allow it for a few minutes. I'll take off from the gas. So I'll add my spinach. If you have access to Utazi, fresh Utazi for garnishing, wonderful. But in case if you cannot have access, you can use spinach. So I will go ahead and slice this cucumber. Wow, can you see how this plantain looks like? Oh my God. It really look wonderful. I can't wait to start mushing it. Who are you going to serve this one to that will say no to you? Guys, can you see how it looks like? Wow, it really look wonderful. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I will just go ahead and mush this. Guys, please don't fail to like the video, comment on it, and help me to share the video. Help me to share, help me to share, help me to share. Like the video, put your comment. It goes a long way. Encourage your girl, your sister, so that you see more video. You will see more videos soon. Encourage me for the one I have done. Guys, go ahead. So thank you for watching. So see you soon again in another satisfying video. Please don't fail to share this video and don't fail to like. Bye bye.